Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make light rays in After Effects. Let's jump onto the screen.
You can see that I have an empty composition on my screen. Right click on the timeline, click on New and select Solid. Now click on the color option and select white. You can also select any other color you like. After you're done, click OK. Now go to the Effects and Presets tab and search for Fractal Noise. Add the effect to the solid layer. Now search for the CC Light Rays effect and add it. Now go to the effect control, set the transfer mode to none, increase the radius and decrease the softness to get stronger, sharper rays. You can also adjust the position to control where the light is coming from. If you want to animate the rays, add a keyframe to the evolution parameter in Fractal Noise, move forward a bit and increase the value. This will create smooth flowing movement. However, by default, you cannot move the ray center outside of the frame. So here's a simple way to deal with that. For this, we'll start from the beginning. Let's zoom out of the composition. Create a rectangle that is larger than your composition frame. Now draw a mask roughly the size of your frame and set the mask mode to subtract. Now apply the same fractal noise and CC light rays effects to this new layer. Now change the mask mode to lighten. Just like before, edit the transfer mode, radius and softness. Now you'll be able to position your rays outside of the visible frame area, as long as they are inside the mask area. If you have another colored solid here, you may notice that both white and black colors are visible using this method. To fix that, simply set the transfer mode to screen to remove the black parts. And that's how you can create light rays in After Effects.